Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prachi Kulkarni, Fertility Specialist, Ferty9 Fertility Center, Banjara Hills. Today I'll explain how the normal pregnancy happens or how the normal fertilization takes place in the body. This is a specimen of uterus, vagina, fallopian tubes and ovaries. So what happens is, if someone has regular cycles of around 28 to 35 days, the egg is released around 11 to 16th day. Every cycle, only one egg develops to maturity and is released from the ovary. It can be either right ovary or left ovary. So once the egg is released, the tube picks up the egg. If you have intercourse around the time of ovulation, then the sperms fall in the vagina. From this semen sample, the sperms swim up inside the uterus through the mouth of the uterus and through the fallopian tube to reach the egg. If inside the body in the fallopian tube egg and sperm meet, fertilization happens. After fertilization, the embryo starts forming. This embryo is then pushed by the tube inside the uterus. So by 5th or 6th day after ovulation, an embryo called blastocyst stage embryo reaches the uterine cavity. It searches for its place for implantation and it starts implanting inside the uterine cavity. So once the implantation happens, the ovary from where the egg is released will continue producing the hormones which are progesterone and estrogen and supports the pregnancy. So this is how the normal pregnancy happens. Once embryo is implanted inside the uterus, it will continue growing for 9 months and the delivery either happens vaginally through this route, or if it is cesarean section, the doctor cuts open the uterus and takes the baby out. This is how the normal fertilization or normal pregnancy happens. I hope this was helpful.